Hello, readers! Welcome to Flow Space 101, Vocabulary Flow. Today, we are going to learn Unit 17 vocabulary words together. We will look at each word, learn its English meaning and Korean meaning, read example sentences, study synonyms and antonyms, and answer fun thinking questions. Are you ready? Let's begin. Our first word is absorb. Absorb means to soak up or take in. For example, a sponge can absorb water. In Korean, absorb means 흡수하다, 빨아들이다. It can also mean to keep someone's attention. Here are some synonyms: take in, soak up, captivate. Some antonyms are release, let out, discharge. Can you think of things that absorb water? A towel, a sponge, and soil can absorb water.
Our next word is amateur. An amateur is a person who does something for enjoyment, not as a paid professional. It can also mean a beginner. In Korean, amateur means 아마추어, 취미로 하는 사람, 초보자. Synonyms include beginner, non-professional, novice. Antonyms include expert, professional, master. Can an amateur become an expert? Yes, with time and practice, an amateur can become very skilled. The next word is channel. A channel can mean a narrow waterway, like a river path or canal. It can also mean a way to direct something. In Korean, channel means 수로, 해협, 통로, 방향을 잡다. Synonyms include passage, waterway, route, guide. Antonyms may include block, stop. Can you make a sentence with channel? For example, boats moved through the channel. Our next word is elegant. Elegant means beautiful, graceful, and showing good taste. In Korean, elegant means 우아한, 품이 있는, 세련된. Synonyms include graceful, stylish, refined. Antonyms include coarse, crude, inelegant. What events make people wear elegant clothes? You might say a wedding, a concert, or a special dinner. Now let's learn grace. Grace means beauty and smoothness of movement. It can also mean a pleasing quality. In Korean, grace means 우아함, 품위, 은혜로움. Synonyms include elegance, charm, loveliness. Antonyms include clumsiness, awkwardness. Can you describe someone who moves with grace? A dancer, a skater, or a horse can move with grace. The next word is inspect. Inspect means to look at something closely and carefully. In Korean, inspect means 검사하다, 자세히 살펴보다. Synonyms include examine, check, investigate, scan. Antonyms include ignore, overlook. What do you inspect carefully? Maybe your homework, your bag, or a science project. Our next word is lame. Lame can mean unable to move well because of injury or weakness. It can also mean weak or not convincing. In Korean, lame means 절뚝거리는, 불편한, 약한, 설득력이 부족한. Synonyms include weak, feeble, limping, unconvincing. Antonyms include strong, healthy, convincing. How should we help someone who is hurt or lame? We should be kind, helpful, and careful. Now let's learn suspend. Suspend means to hang something from above. It can also mean to stop or pause something for a time. In Korean, suspend means 매달다, 걸다, 잠시 멈추다, 중단하다. Synonyms include hang, postpone, delay, interrupt. Antonyms include continue, resume. Why might an activity be suspended? Maybe because of rain, safety, or an emergency.
Our next word is tiresome. Tiresome means annoying, dull, or making you feel tired. In Korean, tiresome means 지루한, 피곤하게 하는, 성가신. Synonyms include boring, annoying, exhausting. Antonyms include interesting, exciting, pleasant. What kinds of chores feel tiresome? Some students may say cleaning, scrubbing, or organizing. Our last word is tranquil. Tranquil means calm, quiet, and peaceful. In Korean, tranquil means 고요한, 평온한, 조용한. Synonyms include calm, peaceful, serene. Antonyms include noisy, excited, disturbed. Can you think of a tranquil place? A lake, a quiet park, or your room at night can feel tranquil. Great job, Discovery Flow readers! Today we learned 10 words: absorb, amateur, channel, elegant, grace, inspect, lame, suspend, tiresome, tranquil. Try saying them again one more time. Can you remember each meaning? Which word is your favorite? Keep reading, keep thinking, and keep growing. Thank you for learning with Flow Space 101. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe. And remember, one flow a day. See you in the next lesson.